Hi everyone! We have here 2 units for muffler installation. First, we have the Mini Cooper JCW for Remus exhaust system with Valvetronic adjustment, Valvetronic control. Here's the harness, module, and the mid pipe, and dual carbon tip. This is the dry carbon. Here we have the CIVIC TYPE R FL5. The exhaust we're installing here is the HKS high power exhaust, high power muffler with dual TI tip. Now we're removing the stock exhaust. We'll do a sound check after we install the new muffler. Stay tuned at PRS. Okay, we removed the stock exhaust in with the new high power. Now we'll do a sound check. If you like our product here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS CAR Accessories and Services. Stock is boring. Bye!